is going to be a half diminished 7. So once you put the 7th chord, it becomes half diminished. Like I said previously, a triad doesn't have a diminished or a half diminished, fully diminished or half diminished. It's just diminished. It took me quite a while to learn this. So in other words, half diminished and fully diminished, those words only apply to 7th chords once you put the 7th note on top of the 1, 3, 5. So, and the reason why it's a half diminished is because the spelling is a minor triad, which we have here, minor triad, and then a diminished 7th interval.